I can't be what I know, no matter what. Who's my sister? TM. Ay. TM. Nakakainis. I'm live streaming and then, you know. So that is the hard thing if you are live streaming and your messenger is in the same phone. You cannot doing it here, you know, mga ganyan. So guys, let's talk about the province life. The province life na naman. I'm so addicted with the province life. What are the things to do in the province? So, ganoon yun. Of course, things to do in the province is the same things to do in the city. Right? Like, for example, things to do in the province is like, you have to see most of that in the province are natures. You are nearby the natures. Why it's best to stay in the province? Because of, you know, why it's best to stay in the province, guys. Happy Mother's Day. I'm looking into getting my corset from you. Hello, TPG. Why it's best to stay in the province? So number one reason is familiarity and comfort, guys. You're already familiar with the area, culture, and community, making it a comfortable and secure environment. The air is fresh from TPG. Number two, support system. You likely have an established support network of family and friends, which is essential for emotional well-being. And then number three, lower cost of living. The cost of living in provinces is often lower compared to cities. That is true, really, guys. Allowing for a more affordable lifestyle. Right? Agree, TPG? Number four, proximity of living. The cost of living in provinces is often lower compared to cities. The cost of living, allowing for more affordable lifestyles. Proximity to nature. Provinces offer easy access to natural attractions, outdoor activities, and a peaceful environment. Number five, tighter knit communities. The pace of life in provinces is often slower, allowing for a more relaxed and stress-free lifestyle. Number seven, local job opportunities. You may have established connections and job opportunities in your province, making it easier to find employment. So the local job. Number eight, cultural heritage. Provinces often have rich cultural heritage and traditions, allowing